Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on manually adding steps or other exercises to the FitBit app. If you have gone out for a walk and forgot to take your Fitbit with you, you can simply add it yourself to the app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by launching the FitBit app and making sure you are logged in to your account. On the main page of the app, tap on the plus button beside Track Your Exercise. From the exercise tracking page, select the tab Log Previous. Here you can choose the date and time of your exercise and the type of exercise you did. Fill out the info to the best of your knowledge and Fitbit will update your calories burned, pace and other info. Tap Log It when done. Now if you go back, you'll see that your stats have updated. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Fitbit tips and tricks.